What's up guys, John from TechSpace, and today we've got another AliExpress special here. This time in the form of a HaiBoxing 1/16 scale 4x4 remote control monster truck. So this one has got quite a reputation. Let's get into it. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel guys. This is the type of content that you generally watch and you enjoy, and stick around because at the end I'm going to announce my giveaway for the channel. So as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway, and stick around to find out exactly how that is going to work. Okay guys, so yes, I've got the HaiBoxing 1/16 scale. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but I've got the brushless version and I'm quite excited about this. I saw a couple of YouTubers that really praised this little truck and I thought it would be great to add it to the collection, and I'm looking forward to it guys. So let's quickly look at the box a little bit. So there you see, this is not how it will actually look. This is the brush version. The brushless one has got a different body look. Well, that's what I think. And that's what I saw online. So yeah, this is the brush version. I think the brushless version has got a different body color scheme. Okay guys, it's got a 2.4 gigahertz controller according to what the box says there. Let's look at the different sides of the box. So there you can see guys, this is a brushless powered version for the 1/16 scale 4x4 truck. It is a ready to run version as well guys. So the battery is included here and the controller and everything that you need. I just think you need to include your 4 AA batteries, but we'll confirm that now. It's got a 3-wire steering servo as well, fast acceleration. I believe this one's got a wheelie bar. This is obviously hobby grade guys, and all the parts that you might need for it you can get on AliExpress, but we'll look at that now as well. Yeah, there guys, yeah, there's some information as well. You've got a ready to run, it's 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz controller, and you've got, I believe you've got oil-filled shocks as well. You've got ball bearings, you've got a brushless motor, you have optional metal spur gears, which I'm guessing is an optional extra. I don't know if it's included in this one. And they say the electronics is splash proof as well. Okay guys, if we flip it around, there you'll see there's a couple of optional upgrades for the brushless version. So you've got metal spur gears, metal diff gears, you've got metal rear dog bones, you've got metal front CVD shafts, you've got metal diff outlined outdrive cups, you've got aluminium capped oil shocks, you've got a wheelie bar. I believe the wheelie bar is in here. I'm not too sure if this optional upgrades is included, because I think the wheelie bar is included in this one. So I'm thinking, why would this be included and not this? I don't know, let's see. And then you've got the metal center shaft as well. Just a couple of things guys. If you're interested in the size of this car, I'm just going to put this there and you can pause it should you want to. Okay, I think we went through all of the sides of the box. Let's open it up. Oh, here it says headlight LED not installed to the RTR truck. It's provided as a gift part in the package. Okay, awesome. Okay, so let's cut it open. Oh, another thing guys, this truck cost me, I think it was something like $240 or something like that. That's New Zealand dollars, and it took about a month to come from China to New Zealand. So yeah, that's about the time frames that I waited for it. Alright, it seems like I've opened the back side of it. So let's close this side and open the front side, which just seems like it's this side here. This box suspiciously looks like it's been opened before, probably through customs or whatever. Okay guys, so there is the front side of the box. Okay, let's take it out. So first thing that you've got here is a very nice instruction manual. It gives you some information. So let's see what we've got here. Some packaging, more packaging, and there is the bad boy. Orange color scheme. Doesn't look too bad with the orange wheels as well. Okay, nice oil-filled shocks, guys. Doesn't look bad at all. Front is definitely more stiff than the rear. Okay, but we'll look at that now. Let's see what else is in the box. I bought the 2 battery combo from AliExpress. Right, and if we open up the box, oh, there we go. There's my extra battery. We look at that now. You've got your controller. Wow, this controller looks better than the one in the WL Toys one. This really feels nice. It feels weighty as well. Really nice. Alright, okay. Empty box. Alright, so let's first look what is in our goodies bag. Alright, so inside here you will find your USB charger for the batteries. The cord is about, just quickly check it. Oh, the cord is very short, guys, probably about a half a meter, probably about 50 centimeters from this point to this. And again, this is a USB-A type of a fitting, so it will plug into most USB-A type chargers that you've got. So it says here it's got a 1.3 amp 7.4 volt output. So there we go, there's the charger. This is some sort of light. I'll just confirm that now. So there we go, guys. Couple of zip ties, a 2-sided tape. Right, then you've got a couple of nice body clips as well, and you can see they've got that rubber section on there to make it easier to take out. This is really nice, guys. And then you've got the wheelie bar. I'm just going to take this out because we're probably going to install it to the vehicle. And you've got a very small Phillips head screwdriver that comes with the kit, which is nice. If you don't really have tools, this will come in handy. It is included. It's a little instruction guide of how to install the wheelie bar. There you go. And there is the wheelie bar. Okay guys, so interestingly enough, this little wheelie bar does have bearings. I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but it does actually have ball bearings, so this is quite nice. Alright, put that to the side. Let's quickly look at the extra battery that I bought. And again, this is just a copy of the battery that should hopefully already be included inside of the truck. Okay guys, and as you can see, a very small battery, and it's got a Dean's connection plug to it, or a T-plug as it's also known, which is the case with most of these vehicles that come from AliExpress. And it says it's got a 25C discharge rate. Right guys, and as you can see, it's very small. I'll check now if there's another one in there. There should be. Okay, then let's look at the instruction manual, just some of the details in here. So we've got a very nice, which I'm glad this is included, guys, indication of how the charger works, and it will also tell you what the status of the battery is, which is really nice. Oh, then you've got a nice decal sticker kit, which we will kit out with our vehicle. And then this is quite impressive, guys. Again, it is really good information that you find inside of these instructions. Driving, how to drive it, turn left, how does it work with the vehicle, which is good again for someone that's not familiar with these type of controllers. Beginners, maybe kids getting into the hobby, or parents that want to buy their kids this type of vehicles. There's a nice part list as well, so if you ever get in a situation where you need parts, we've broken something. The controller, look how nice this is. Look at these air vents that you see here where you are going to have your hand grip. It's really nice. That's a really nice feature, especially if it's hot in summer. This is going to be something nice to get some air going through the controller. Okay guys, so there's the bottom, and I'm guessing we are going to need 3 AA batteries. So 3 only. Oh, this is much better quality than the one that comes with the WL toys. You can really feel there is some tension to this throttle trigger here, or the reverse and the bash. Okay guys, you do not have foam on the wheel, but it does feel like a textured type of, oh no, it's just textured plastic. So you don't have foam on the wheel, but this really feels like there's good grip. There's some lines on it that really makes it nice to grip. Alright, and then guys, it's Sports 2.4 gigahertz. You've got a steering trim, you've got a steering dual rate, you've got a speed. Here's all the buttons that you've got on there. Let's open it up. I hope this comes off easily. It says here, please rip off the transparent film. So this ugly yellow sticker will obviously come off with the transparent film that we're going to pull off. So let's do that after we've taken the pins off, because the pins is just going to rip it. Wow, these are really nice. They really come out so easily with these little plastic rubbery stuff at the end of the pins. The body clips. Okay, so let's do that now. The little windows are see-through, which is really nice. I don't know if you guys can see that, which is a nice touch. Okay, this is quite nice guys. The body feels quite actually strong. I'm quite surprised with this. It's not as flimsy as the one that you get with the WL Toys 144010, the other one that I've got, this one here. This one is flimsy, but this one really feels a lot stronger. It's also got a beautiful little body. Alright, okay, so let's look on the inside. Okay guys, so yeah, you've got a little small brushless motor. I wonder what the size of that motor is. I'm not too sure about the kV of this motor, to be honest. Alright guys, which is nice here is you've got a separate servo and a separate ESC. It's not one of those combos, which is really nice. You've got your little brushless motor. And there is my other battery pack. Right guys, so there we go. Exact replica of the other one. As you can see, space saver here that actually keeps the drive shaft in the middle clear of the battery. There's a little sponge spacer there. Alright guys, and it's a 3-wire ESC, which is also nice. You've got a little power on and off button there, press and hold, which is again nice. You do not have to take the bloody whole body off to put it on and off, which is really nice. You can just press and hold that button and that is your switch. Okay, let's do the little genre suspension test. It's cute guys, it's cute. Again guys, not a lot of play with this little small vehicle, but yeah, it's quite nice. It's got some nice rims there guys. What I am going to do is I'm quickly going to install the wheelie bar, get some batteries in this controller, do some sticker decals on the body, and then I will see you guys soon. We can put it on, quickly give it a bash on the throttle. It's small and we can see how it works. Okay guys, I'm back and I've installed the light, the headlight kit and the wheelie bar, as you can see, and everything is, it's the simplest thing in the world that you can do. They give you everything included in the box to do all of this stuff, so you really don't need anything to do this on your own. You must just be able to read instructions and you will be good to go. And also I've got 2 bodies as well. So this one came with the car and this one I bought extra to come with it. I like this color more personally, and that's why I got the blue one as well. But I'm going to put it on the car and I want you guys to decide which one do you like more. And leave a comment down below. Do you like the blue body shell more or do you like the orange body shell more? It's interesting to see, but I love this pink, black and blue body. I think it looks awesome. Okay guys, so alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch on the controller and then I am going to switch on the car. Okay guys, and there you can see is the little headlights. It looks quite cool, I must say. The battery is installed. There you can see is the cabling running from a little connection that is made into the ESC. There's a little receiver aerial there. Alright, so let's give it a bash. No delay like you get in the WL toys. What a revelation. Reverse. So let's put it in top speed. Whoa. Let's quickly put the body on. Starting with the body that actually comes with the vehicle when you buy it. So there is the truck with the body that comes sold with the vehicle, the orange color scheme. What do you guys think about it? Let's change the body out to the blue. I think this is going to look sweet. Much better than the orange. So if I'm going to decide to obviously keep the blue on, this is going to be my basher body and this is going to be my shelf queen body. Right, let's stick it on there. Alright guys, and there it is with the blue body that I bought extra with the vehicle. I think it looks epic in this blue. So what do you guys think? Which color do you like more? To me, blue all the way. I know some of you might like orange more, but in this case I just love the blue. It looks epic with this little truck. Okay guys, and that is the unboxing video of my brand new HaiBoxing 16889A Pro, which is the brushless model, 1/16 scale. I think it is awesome. Okay guys, and this is the announcement. We are giving one of these vehicles away to one lucky subscriber. So as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving one of these away to one of my subscribers. I'll give more details in the future of how you'll be eligible to get one in this giveaway. But for now, just wanted to make the announcement guys that I am giving one of these ones away as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'll send it directly from AliExpress to your house. So I'll buy it, you give me the address, and I'll send it to the address that you provide me. It's easy, and the nice thing about AliExpress is it does deliver in probably most places in the world. I believe if you live on base camp to Mount Everest, Nepal, they'll be able to probably get it to you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Keep watching the videos guys to see where the progress is of the amount of subscribers that we have. And when we get the 1,000 subscribers, I am going to do a 1,000 subscriber video, and you guys will know how you'll be eligible to get this as part of a giveaway. I'm only giving away one, so make sure you spread the word to your friends that I am doing a giveaway on this beautiful little vehicle. Thank you for watching guys. Remember to like the videos, give a comment, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you don't miss any of my videos. If you like content like this guys, I've got plenty of other videos on my channel that you can go and check out. RCs, I've got a Teardown, I do electrical scooter videos as well. I just love those kind of toys guys, and I do one or two tech stuff as well in between. It's just stuff that I love, stuff that really interests me, and if that interests you, you will enjoy this channel. Thank you guys, I'm John from Tech Space, and we'll definitely bash you in the next one. Cheers.